Alrighty guys, welcome to another Keep Reet YouTube episode. This is a bit of a delayed intro because we forgot to film one. So we're here at the factory, it's all been wrapped up now. It was an amazing event, so I hope you enjoy watching it. But before you get into it, I want to say a massive shout out to all the subscribers because we finally did it. We hit the 100k subscribers. That means I'm gonna get a little spicy plaque for the team to put up in the office to look at and forget about because we're gonna hit 1 million next. But anyway, if you haven't hit the subscribe, make sure you do it now. And also on the event, we were selling LZ World Tour merch, and unfortunately, not all of it showed up. So we've got an extra load of boxes, but limited stock of the LZ World Tour merch, which you can see here. So make sure you jump on our website and get it if you missed out. There's only a few left, and I'm sure they'll be gone again. So jump on it. We've got them, and we've also even got some hats that I don't think arrived. So make sure you jump on our spicy new bucket hats and all the other stuff we've got on our website because it's amazing. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video.
Uh-oh, I turn around for 5 seconds and he's broken it again. That thing's favorite activity, other than blazing tires, is definitely blowing alternators to the moon. Yeah, no, that thing hates alternators with passion. So he's probably done another one. But yeah, get that thing fixed and get back out. Alright, I just saw that we have the man, the wizard, Trent, sitting in the driver's seat of the wagon, and I was like, what the hell's going on here? So, what is going on here? So we got the alternator sorted, and yeah, we've got just a transient, like it's just, if you're light on the throttle when it's down low, coming back on, it just splutters. So he's just going to try and fix that. It wasn't really affecting me, but we've got Trent here, so may as well use him. Yeah, everyone else getting their car sorted. Colette's got a fuel pump back in and she's happy. Just doing another adjustment to Jimmy's car. He is not happy, but we're going to get it back out. Adam's car, turbo replaced, good to go. AU Falcon, we've got Adam in there and he loves it.
Never
so we've got a good backup if we need.
Did he actually, did he like it? Grant loves the 33. So.
Did he actually like the...
Yeah, he loved it.
I didn't get his reaction yet.
Yeah, no, he loved it. Let's
Cool.
go suss some gangster qualifying laps and see how we go. See if for once this year we can get into the top 16 bracket. Ooh. That'd be nice. I'm going to put that ass on the wall, yeah. In the wall.
Alright, well, you got your work cut out for you, but good luck.
Back to the line. Jason Farron, Keep It Reet. Yeah, this is the guy. This is the guy that puts it together.
goodness.
We never had either, so it's difficult. It's square. It's very square. I'm
So
gonna put
many
it.
things.
Keeper Reet boss man putting in his first run of the weekend, firing into that first corner. He's very used to Calder Park. We expect big things, and right off the bat, we're getting big angle through the first corner for Jason Farron as he runs that bumper. That's where the judges want them, running that bumper over those white zones. Comes into the power rally. Look at this. Firing it back. Now, this is where Jason has left some marks earlier in practice, and he does put it up to the wall. Doesn't want to be outdone.
No, you cannot. You got something to prove. That's a good way to put it all out there on the table for the people, for the fans.
So we got a score dropping in for Jason Farron. It is a 93.6 for Jason Farron. He puts it on the board. We thought that 93 was going to be a big one, but now it's got to be even bigger if he wants to go way up the order.
And it looks like it is. He is coming in with way more heat than he did last time, chugging it in. And I do remember more taillight being on that car than I saw at the start line there. He's missing half of both of those taillights.
Yeah, this is the end of the year for the car, so I expect this one to go deep in the wall here from Keeper Reet's Jason Farron as he fires very late.
Oh, there it is.
Yep, up onto the wall it goes. Oh,
goodness
absolutely
gracious.
smashes the back end of the car into the wall. As Jason Farron says, you know what, this is my backyard. You got to come through me. Yes, going first in qualifying is Jason Farron with a 97.5. 97.5 from Jason Farron from Keeper Reet. Right now, an Australian on top.
Number one. Oh, kisses for Farron. Yeah.
What's that? Give me more. Gave a little tapper,
Yeah, nice. Bet the car was feeling great.
Yeah, she loves it. Yeah, I didn't notice that little mist thing anyway. It gets a little bit hot from each run every time. I was like, I have to boost a little bit more noise.
Up boost, foot to the floor. See where you end up on the leaderboard and see who you're against.
97.1,
wasn't it?
97 point something.
97 point. The top.
The number one.
Number one. Number one.
Number one.
Updating.
G'day boys, we're back here. Day 2,
The big day.
And don't know. We've got we're just playing with tyres. The track's a bit cold. It's kind of spinning with a little bit of rain, but I think we're good. Just rear-ended Gaz Wider because he's choked up on the entries. Sorry, mate. Everyone's telling me he's fast. He's fast. Boom!
Not fast enough.
Yeah, everyone's driving really well, so
Yeah,
try and get
sweet.
some more laps. And we've got Grant here.
I'm excited. Fucking Barrawagz, baby.
Barrawagz, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, sweet. Get out there, get some practice and take it home, boy.
All right, we're about to get started on our fantasy battles before the competition. The Barrawagz is back. I just slayed some laps in the 33 just in case I have to use it as a backup, and she was feeling premium. Crazy gripped up, to be honest. But the alternator's all good, so she's fresh. And guess who we've got? None other than Stuart Bryant in his dad's 32. So, Kang Fantasy Battle. I got Gary, Aussie LZ versus Adam back in his car. And can't wait, it's going to be fun.
Brian's dad's car. My dad's car doesn't look like this.
Yeah, my dad's car is an F-150.
There you go. So don't drift that.
No.
So here we go. Jason Farron in the lead. Stewie Bryan in the chase position.
In a car that he's never driven this weekend.
Nope, brand new laps for Stewie Bryan, and it's similar chassis, different car as they come through. Jason Farron putting on a smoke show right now.
Stewie just having to learn how to drive the car all over again. I'm sure his e-brake setup may or may not be different than maybe he's missing some calipers. That might be what's happening. Jason just putting those beans down, and Stewie having some problems keeping up.
But we're down to Mez. He's down with the drivers on the track. How are the boys feeling down there?
Jason, mate, Dave wants to know how you're feeling.
Yeah, not bad. So we've been breaking alternators. We're on our third alternator this weekend, and the boys just got that in there, and it's playing up straight away again. So it was like spluttering, and I was just trying to kick the clutch, keep it going.
Two absolute heavyweights of the drift scene in Australia. Make some noise if you think the winner is Mr. Keep It Reet, Jason Farron. Make some noise if you think the winner is Stewie Bryant. Oh, come on. Tough crowd, brother, but I think the winner is Jason Farron. Boys, you should be stoked of that. Back to you boys in the booth.
Because we forgot to film one.
Jason Farron in that lead position, and it's going to be Brodie Maher in that chase position. Nice from Brodie, getting up close and personal to that R33 as they come through. Look at this, Brodie Maher sort of turning it up a little bit. Oh, almost contact between both of these drivers as they fire down the power alley. Look at this, Jason Farron get a little bit of a run here as Brodie Maher now transitions back up onto the door. This is what we came to see. Bumpers on walls.
Right out of the gate, lost the wing.
Hits the wall, loses the wing, and we are up and running in the top 16.
Yeah,
also missing a lot to determine it's a 33. But anyway,
most of it.
Might be missing more by the end of this run. It's the second half of the battle between Brodie Maher and Jason Farron. Jason Farron in the chase position. Brodie got the pace on him here.
That 1,000 horsepower SR20, God's motor ×4, chucking it in as Jason Farron is doing a fantastic job of keeping up with Brodie as they blast through the power alley and into the most dangerous part of the track by far, and losing bumper, losing wing as they round the last corner. They're just like, you know what? Yard sale.
Absolutely. Australia, are you not entertained? Make some noise for Brodie Maher and Jason Farron. And hugs all around for these two drivers as they await their decision from the judges. It's going to be a tough one for the judges, Dan. We're going to get a winner here, though. Decisions dropping in, going through to the top 8 is Brodie Maher. Brodie Maher gets the win. Brodie Maher gets the win and goes through to our top 8. Jason Farron has put all of his cars to rest now.
So situations have arisen. Jason Farron, the Reet master, went out for his fantasy battle with who we up against? None other.
Stewie Bryant,
Yep.
King.
Yep, in his Chat 32.
It is the head 32.
Yeah.
Having dramies. And then us with our fresh alternator, instant play up, starting to have voltage issues. And it's like foot flat and it'll just come on and off power. So I managed to somehow put 2 laps together and the crowd gave me the win just because Barrawagz instant win.
Barrawagz instant win.
So I think he straightened behind me as well, and then I got on him on the last corner, but I just got gapped because I couldn't accelerate off the line. Yeah, that happened in the fantasy battle. Tried to see what we could do to fix the alternator issue. That's 3 alternators gone in the weekend. Yeah. So I had to jump in the 33 because we were first battle up because we qualified first. And I was quite comfy in the 33, but it was raining just as we went out. So I had Brodie Maher, and it was just a bit slippery, so I was just a little bit offline, and then coming into the wall, bit of a handbrake, and I was like ready to go, just like I did in practice. It felt like it was pretty grippy up the straight, and it was just slippery, just a tiny bit extra into the wall, and then put my foot into it. I think I hit the wall 3 times. Start, middle, and end. I think probably big bubbles, or I don't know what they say for judging. I'm sure you'll see on the stream. But yeah, it was gangster. And then I chased him down. Was a little bit off him on the entry. Then caught up, was right on his ass. Dived on him on the last wall. He sort of shallowed out and then hit the wall as well. And then I just sort of sat there with him. And yeah, from that they gave him the win. I don't know.
Dogged on. Oh well.
It is what it is. We definitely put on a show. Yeah. I didn't do any Reet shit. I got to do a proper full couple of laps, buried that ass for the crowd. So now we got 3 broken Reet fleets that were fresh at the start of the weekend, and 3 broken alternators. And Non-destroy Barrawagz.
Yep.
Which is alright.
But we took first in qualifying.
First in qualifying, number one and not.
Number
We're
one.
stoked to get to the main show this time. It definitely sucks losing, but that's part of it. We're gonna get the wagon back together to see if we can get like just a gangster crowd. Please fucking run or something. If it dries up, we'll just get on the loud pedal.
The crowd was loving it. I was up there a couple times when you did some laps.
Definitely got to say, the crowd is amazing, and he had some things to the crowd. We stopped and Dave Egan did his old G up with the crowd, and yeah, it was pretty surreal. The old Dave Egan, everyone make some noise.
Anyway, finish up your monologue.
Monologue.
Depressor log.
Depressor. Yes. Hopefully next year is our year. We had fun. Thank the sponsors quickly. Yes.
Yes.
We got Autobahn came on board this weekend, and Optima Battery. So thanks heaps, guys. Ross, as always, hyping your turbos, Raceworks, Coastal, Haltech ECU. Been great seeing the Haltech guys. Kansai wheels. Every car is on Kansai's, and they're looking spicy. Shockworks suspension. They've been here all weekend adjusting. They redid Jimmy's whole car, took the shocks home, adjusted them. Legends. Perchnick Bayswater, MP Tools, and BSC. And I hope I'm not forgetting any others. We got MPC, PWR,
everyone.
and Nitto for the Barramundi. And hopefully hook us up with some 2J thanks too. I'm going to shut up now and go and watch the gangster driving.
Yeah.
So that's the only good thing about getting ucked on early. We can now get on the beers, and we can now get ready for the Kang after party tonight, and we can watch all the insane battles live. Without further ado,
on the beach.
Don't care. Click that subscribe. I think we've hit 100k. So 100k skid when we get the PSI 30 done, I reckon. Trans brake. Appreciate everyone's support. Appreciate everyone that came out. Thanks Drift Games, Aussie World Tour, the whole Keep It Reet crew. You're all legends. And I'll see you next time.
See ya.